Alrighty guys, so today we're going to try to get a quick one out to you here. We're going to show you how to install an RV water pressure regulator. Stay tuned. Alrighty, what I have in front of me here, guys, is a RV water pressure regulator by Camco. Now, you can get these online at your RV stores or your big box stores. Not gonna tell you where I got this one from because I'm not gonna get props to that quote-unquote big box store. So, this is a water regulator, and what we're gonna do today is I'm going to install this guy on my RV water side. Now you ask yourself, well, Camo, why are you installing it there? Why don't you just install it at the camper? Well, let me tell you the difference, guys. In every RV park, and as you can see here on mine, somebody, whoever had this camper, put the water regulator, which doesn't regulate very well anymore, by the way, on the actual RV. This is the wrong way to do it, guys. The reason why that's the wrong way to do it is because you don't want the regulator at your RV. You want it at the park side. If the water pressure in the RV is high and you have your regulator at your RV, water pressure will build up in your hose here. Water pressure will build up in your hose and it can damage your hose before it even gets to your RV here. So if you put the regulator at the RV water side, you regulate it before it even gets to your hose, and you make sure that the water is at 40-50 psi, which is what this one is set to here. Let's see if I can zoom into this for you. This was set to 40-50 psi, which is perfect for my older RV. And you make sure that you save your pipes. Now, if you don't use a regulator, because different parks have different water pressures. Some are extremely high, some are extremely low, some you don't even have to worry about. But if you don't have a water regulator on your park side, what can happen is that you can damage your lines inside of your camper, and that just causes bigger problems. What I think part of my problem is one, I have bad connections or old connections inside my plumbing, but I don't believe that this water regulator that is on the wrong side of the water system is working properly anymore. So I don't think it's actually regulating any water. So we're going to change that out, guys. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So here's our RV water side here, guys. So what we're going to do here is take this top off and go down here and disconnect our hose from the system right now. Alright, so the first thing I want to do here, guys, you see this is our water valve here. I just got my hose connected, so we had a lot of rain here lately, so I'm just going to reach in here and disconnect. Oh, I'm going to turn the water off first. Key point, guys, make sure that the water is turned off before you release the hose. Now we can take the hose off of there. Alright. Now what we're going to do is install our RV water regulator. Alright guys, so what I've already done is I've installed the hose onto the water pressure regulator. And if you notice here, there is a little arrow. See if I can zoom into that for you. This arrow tells you the flow of the water. So you want to make sure your flow of your water is always pointing back at your RV and not back into the water system. Of course, you'd have a little difficult time. You can probably get it to work, but you have a little difficult time trying to get it the opposite way. So let's go ahead and install this guy on here. Just going to bring it down here. And there's a gasket on the side that rolls into the RV water side. And I have a gasket on my hose, so we should be fine. I'm just going to get in there and make sure it's good and tight. It's a good thing that it has those wings on it, guys. Those wings help keep things nice and tight, and it allows you to get a grip on it. And I'm just going to make sure that my, oh yeah, good and tight there. Okay, so now we have our water regulator on our hose. So now we're just going to go ahead and turn our water on. It's on. No leaks. So let's go see what our water pressure looks like. And I just have a hose here connected to it. And I can actually tell there is a slight difference in the pressure. But that is what 50, 60 psi, excuse me, 40, 50 psi looks like. Fantastic.